Whoa, this was my intro song. Whoa. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bleed the air out of your cooling system on a 2016 Scion FRS. This method can be used on any of the models of the GT86, BRZ, and FRS. If you're new here, hi, I'm Bookmickbeth, and I did a radiator install using MISHIMOTO products. If you guys want to know how to do the whole entire system, there is a bee in front of me. Oh my god. If you guys want to learn how to do that, I'm going to leave the link down below where you guys can go check that out. Honestly, wow, I can't believe I just stayed in front of the camera for that long. Cody's battery's in the back of the Evo, and we're going to try and run two jumper cables to the front of my car, because he can't get through that window to, like, we can't open it. So we're gonna do it this way, and hopefully we don't burn the whole garage down. Here goes nothing. Yes. Remember to keep your heat on high. So I'm gonna go ahead and rev to 3,000 RPMs about 5 to 6 times, and then after you're done doing that, wait a little bit and then turn the car off and go check to see if your coolant level has dropped, and then try to open the bleeder valve to see if any coolant comes out. If any coolant comes out, then you don't have any air in your cooling system, but if you do not see anything in there, then you still have air in your cooling system. So let's go ahead and rev. After you turned off the car, go ahead and wait a minute or two before you open up your radiator cap. You're going to do this to check to see if your coolant level has dropped. If it has, you're going to want to top it off. But then you're going to want to check your bleeder valve to see if any of the coolant is coming out. If coolant does come out, then you don't have any more air. If nothing comes out, then you still have air in the system, and you'll have to repeat that step again. Okay. So the coolant has dropped. That's really good. That's what you want to see. We're going to top that off, but first we're going to go check the bleeder valve and see if any coolant is coming out of there. You hear that? Mm-hmm. We're going to go ahead and add some more coolant, and we're going to top it off. Like I told you guys before, this is the 50/50 Toyota coolant that you'll be using on your FRS. Only use the blue kind. Don't mix your coolant because that's not good. Get the OEM stuff, guys. Get the OEM stuff. It's better to be safe than sorry. I know there's a lot of companies out there with different types of, you know, mixes and stuff. Just go to Toyota or go to Subaru and get the right one. See. And then you close it. That's what you want to see, though.
Yeah.
That's what you want to see. Coolant started.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. So we're gonna close everything back up. A little bit of coolant was coming out. That's good, though. That's really good. That's what you want to see. I also forgot to mention that the FRS has a self-burping system, so it's going to do it automatically, and if it needs coolant, it's going to suck it out of the reservoir tank. So you're going to want to go ahead and fill that up to high, and you should be good. So off camera, I went ahead and I shut the car off, and I checked the bleeder valve one more time. Coolant is coming out of there, so you don't have to do this step all over again. I'm gonna get the car out of the garage because I want to give her a bath. It's been a few months since she's actually had a bath, so it'd be a good time to disinfect this car too. To the channel, so I quickly want to show you what his Evo looks like. This is his 2014 Evo X, and he just got it back from the shop. Some lady rear-ended him and this car was gone for about 2 or 3 months, but now he finally has it back in his possession. So if you guys want to see more about the Evo, go follow him.
Let's do it.
Look at all the change I found in my car. Alright guys, so I just finished washing the FRS, and we also washed the Evo, and we gave the Z its first bath. Yay! I ordered new calipers, and when I say new, I mean new to me. I ended up going on eBay and I found a set of calipers for a G35 that had about 53,000 miles on it. And if you guys take a 2006 G35 caliper, it's the same as a 2006 Nissan 350Z. So I went ahead and I bought them because they were about $135. I went to Advanced Auto Parts and they wanted about I think it was like $70 for the caliper plus a $75 core charge, and I really just wasn't about it. I think I got a really good deal with the eBay purchase, but hopefully they work out. If anything, I can always return them because the listing said that if they don't work, that they will return my money. But honestly, I have good faith that they will, and yeah, I'm happy about it. I also have to change the brake fluid that's within the 350, so if you guys have any suggestions of what I should put in the 350Z, please let me know in the comments down below. Cody seems like he's giving up on life now. He helped me wash the Evo and the 350Z, so, and the FRS.
And I tried the FRS.
Yeah, you definitely helped me with everything, so.
I think it's time to virtually race some cars.
Virtually race some cars?
And have some Coronas.
Maybe we can do a little track right here, like a small. We could do donuts in the backyard.
You can do donuts. I could actually drive. I got that all-wheel drive, you know. You'll be stuck in the mud.
Wow. Honestly, I'm actually very happy that the car is running now. I can finally drive it. I'm excited to take it out on the street if I don't get in trouble, because I know we're all supposed to stay indoors and I have been good. But I've been going to the grocery store, and I believe in 3 to 4 days we might have to go to the grocery store again. So that means I get to take my car out again.
We're gonna secretly go do a photo shoot tomorrow. No one can know.
But we're totally gonna do social distancing, so. Anyways, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please go check out my Patreon if you guys want to go support even more. And as well as my merch store, I have some t-shirts and stickers and stuff like that that you guys can go ahead and buy to support the channel, especially in these hard times for small YouTubers like me. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. And if you're not, I hope you feel better. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.